Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install GraalVM on your computer. So let's keep all of these things extremely simple so everyone can follow this tutorial and it won't be complicated or anything like that. Alright, as I promised, let's keep this also short and let's begin. So first of all, what we will need to do is to open any kind of browsers that we prefer. For example, I will use this one and Google for the searching, and we only need to type GraalVM download. Done. And now you can see this very first website officially from the GraalVM. Let's go there. All right, and now we should pick the latest version of GraalVM, and it is GraalVM 25, and of course I want it for the Windows. Now let's click on download, and yes, you can see this zip file downloading. Inside we have everything that we need to set up GraalVM. Alright, it's done, and now what we need to do is to open this zip file, and basically I have moved this zip file of GraalVM here, so I will manage it here, or you can try to manage it where you want or wherever you find it comfortable. And instead of extracting like that zip file, we need to copy this. Let's go copy. Alright, and paste this here. It won't take a long time. Now we need to cut this, go to our C drive, program files, Java, and paste this folder here. Yep. And inside we should navigate to the bin folder and copy this address. Done. Now we should type here edit system environment variables, and then go to the environment variables, and inside we need to paste what we have copied. Done. Or alternatively, you can basically create a new variable and call this GraalVM home and paste this, and it will be enough. And you already have probably noticed these user variables and system variables, and both are important, I think, especially system variables, so our system can recognize GraalVM. So we should go to the path. Let's remove this old JDK so system won't get confused. Click on new, paste this, and now let's move it on the very top so our computer will find it, not just recognize. And now it's done, so let's verify this. CMD, alright, and let's type Java version. And yep, now you can see Oracle GraalVM. Nice, it's working. But however, if you somehow got fatal JVM exception or something, yep, that happens, you just need to type Java and version and nothing else. Like, you don't need to include those 2 lines or something. Yep, now it's working. However, if someone has this issue where they are unable to edit environment variables, we can easily fix this, so no need to panic. What we need to do is to type here view advanced system settings. Now let's go to the environment variables, and now you can see those buttons enabled, so you can edit it whenever you want without any issues. And yep, alright, and now you are ready to go. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it was simple, and this is how you really need to set up GraalVM.